Hello beautiful people, you're welcome here. So have you been dreaming of moving abroad, working a stable job and actually bringing your family along with you? Well, listen carefully because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can move to Finland in 2025 through warehouse jobs that sponsor your visa, pay you well and even open the door to permanent residency. Now let's talk about why Finland. First of all, is one of the safest and happiest country in the world. The work-life balance is incredible, the immigration system is stable, and salaries are competitive compared to most places. Unlike some countries that change their visa rules every year, Finland keeps things consistent. So here's the opportunity. Finland is actively hiring warehouse and logistics workers, and these jobs don't require a degree or years of experience. What matters most is that you are physically fit, ready to work, and have at least a secondary school certificate. On average, warehouse workers in Finland earn around 13.5 euro per hour, with annual salaries ranging between 30 to 40,000 euros plus extra pay for nights, weekends and overtime. Now, here's where it gets even better. Once you land a job offer, you can apply for what is called a residence permit for an employed person. This lets you live and work in Finland, and after 4 years, you can apply for permanent residency. And you are not doing this alone. Your spouse and children can come with you. In fact, your spouse will get an open work permit, which means they can work in any field they want. So where do you find these jobs? Check out agencies like Barona, Jobly, StaffPoint and Duunitori. Just type the keyword warehouse and you will see current openings. Also, the links they are in this video description below. And once you secure that job offer, head over to Enter Finland to begin your residence permit application. Now let me ask you this. What would it mean for you and your family to start a new life in a safe, stable country like Finland? This isn't just another opportunity, this is a chance to reset your future. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop the word Finland in the comments if you are serious about this, and I will know you are ready to take action. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any next video where I will share even more international job opportunities. Remember, opportunities don't wait. Finland is hiring now, and the sooner you act, the sooner you move closer to the life you've been dreaming of.